My Lord, this place is a wreck. I'm embarrassed. I've been adding on to the outdoor kitchen. If you're one of my 5 faithful subscribers, you may recognize that. There's Al, the patron saint of outdoor kitchens. So we've added this area here and got a little more under roof. And this is my new abattoir, which is French for slaughterhouse, so it's fancy. And what it's going to be is a fish cleaning station slash chicken butchering station slash hog butchering, whatever I managed to get. That's what this is going to be. And I'm going to, I don't know, I may just use the hose, or I may end up putting a faucet here. I'm not going to run permanent water. It'll just be something that I can hook a hose to. But I'm very happy with it. Still got a lot to do. Over there I'll have a place to hang a little chain hoist if I need to raise something up. I don't know. I'm still playing. And this is all made out of old creosoted, some of it, deck wood from my resource pile out there. So this morning I'm getting ready to butcher a couple chickens, a couple meat chickens. But that is not what this short video is about. What this short video is about is this little gadget I bought off Amazon. I don't really know what to call it. It's a Molle phone holder, and you've seen these things, you know, on pictures of and videos of high-speed, low-drag guys that are, you know, with their little handheld computers and stuff like that. But this is a cheap one. This one cost me, I think, like $25, $27, and I noticed that the price has already gone up. But what I got it for was to go on my plate carrier, and if you are one of my 5 faithfuls, you know that I use my plate carrier to PT. This is full of sandbags, and this is actually got one of those plastic fake plates that's filled with plaster of Paris. Although I did buy some plates from AR Armor, is AR 500 Armor, during this 4th of July sale they had, and they're on their way, and I'll probably, because these things are starting to crumble, I'll probably retire these things and just go ahead and put my real plates in there. But I use this for PT, and it'll be nice to have real armor, God forbid, in case I ever need it, but it'll also be nice to have real armor in there for PT. So I bought this thing. And when I bought it, I knew that it was only for a certain iPhone. And it does not fit my Galaxy Note 5, which is in my hand and being used to record this. So this is kind of a throwaway. But I knew also that I would figure a way to make it work. So sure enough, I got some bungee cord. And what I do is I just stick my phone right in there, and it holds it pretty good for when I'm PTing, because I don't usually really run. I do more of a sad shuffle, and the phone is held tight in there, and I'm able to listen to my books on tape, my podcast, or let's say I want to film a video for you guys, and I want the camera to stick out here and film what's in front of me. So I'm kind of happy with that. Like I said, it cost me about 27 bucks. And if you do have an iPhone 7, then this thing actually just snaps right in. This piece fell off, but this thing just snaps in and is fairly secure. And it would be great if they'd made one for the Note, but they didn't. The real versions of these that you can get, they're like $80, $90. So this cheap little thing, I think it's well worth it. It's certainly not coming out. I had a heck of a time getting it in there. But anyway, if you're in the market for something like that, I'll leave the link. It's on Amazon. I think they now are $30 or something dollars. They went up since I bought one because they knew I was going to make them famous. But I just wanted to share that with you. Hey, thanks for watching.